Microsoft has announced that it will end support for Windows 10 in 2025. The company's updated Windows Lifecycle fact sheet states that the company will drop support for Windows 10 Home, Pro, Pro for Workstations, and Pro Education on October 14, 2025. This means that the US-based tech giant will not release any more updates and security fixes after that date. But the company's recent teaser confirmed that it will launch Windows 11 by the end of this month. It has listed a new event on its website, which will take place on June 24th. At the event, the company will highlight everything that is coming next for Windows. Elon Musk unveiled the Plaid edition of the Tesla Model S, which is apparently the fastest production car ever with the ability to go from 0 to 60 miles per hour in 1.99 seconds. He mentions that the car has PlayStation 5 level gaming performance. As an example, Musk showed off someone playing Cyberpunk 2077 on the screen live. It reportedly runs the game at 60 frames per second. He further added that Tesla Model S Plaid sounds better than Sony PS5, thanks to its 22-speaker sound system. So, basically it's the fastest console out there, literally. Facebook has bought several virtual reality game studios over the past couple of years, and they added one more to their portfolio Friday with the acquisition of Seattle-based Bigbox VR. As has been the case for most of these studio acquisitions, terms weren't disclosed. Bigbox raised $6.5 million according to Crunchbase, with funding from Shasta Ventures, Outpost Capital, Pioneer Square Labs, and GSR Ventures. The rising amount of plastic waste in the oceans is not something new in today's world. Each year, as per reports, oceans and seas around the world get filled with 11 million tons of plastic waste. Citing this global issue, and to prevent further accumulation of plastic waste in the natural water bodies, Razer announced a partnership with Clearbot to develop a water drone to collect plastic waste from the ocean and recycle them. Coming to the question of when Razer and Clearbot will deploy the ocean cleaner in the real world, there is currently no word on that yet. However, it is always exciting to see companies step up to make the world a better place for future generations. A Redditor has created a chunk edition version of the Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus with a humongous 14,000 mAh battery. Developed by a Redditor known as T-Virus691 on Reddit, the power-modded Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus features a thick battery unit attached to its back. The Redditor says that Samsung would not give him an S10 Plus with a 10,000 mAh battery. So, he himself made a 14,000 mAh battery for his device and 3D printed the case. Now, if you are intrigued by the device and want to power mod your own smartphone, we would suggest you not to, as it requires the necessary expertise to do so. CD Projekt Red suffered a massive ransomware attack earlier this year. Now, the game developers have admitted that the stolen data is currently circulating around the internet. The company sent out a tweet from its official handle on Twitter to let everyone know about the current situation. So, as per the letter, the developers recently found evidence that their stolen data is being circulated around the internet. The data might include details of present or former employees, contractors, and game files as well. Well, this is it for the day. Come back for more tech news tomorrow.
And remember, like and subscribe. Or else.